RA 8484, yung Access Device Regulation Act. So, meron pala tayong Access Device Regulation Act. So, ito yung against unauthorized access. No, lalo na doon sa credit cards, na-fraud ng credit cards, yung ginagamit ngayon sa voice phishing, yung nakikita natin sa news. So, ito yung 5 sa provisions ng RA 8484, yung Access Device Regulation Act. Yung producing or trafficking in one or more counterfeit device. So, ibig sabihin, kapag ka nagre-recruit ka ng tao illegally at gumagamit ka ng counter device, yun yung number 1 violation mo. 2, trafficking in one or more unauthorized access device. So, ibig sabihin, pag hindi sa'yo yung device, yung access device, kagaya nung voice phishing, yung sa credit card, that's number 2. Number 3, use with the intent to fraud. Use with the intent to defraud unauthorized access. So, pag pinagmukha mong authorized, yung hindi authorized, yung defraud. So, yun. Pag pinagmukha mong legitimate pero illegitimate pala, that's number 3. Number 4, use an access device fraudulently. Pag ginagamit mo yung access device para makapanloko ng kapwa. And possessing one or more counterfeit device. So, yun, para sa akin, yun lang yung kailangan mong tandaan. May batas na pala tayo niyan since 1998. So, ibig sabihin, 18 years old pa lang ako, meron na yan. I wonder why na laganap pa rin yan hanggang ngayon. Malinaw na may batas na tayo tungkol dito. So, yun lang po.